Good to see y'all. This is Michael. I had a couple projects planned, but sometimes you plan projects, sometimes projects just happen to you. In this case, my cat was sitting on a stool in here, jumped off the stool ricocheted, hit the window pane right here, and we're gonna fix it. So stay tuned and we'll learn how to safely put a new window pane in. See y'all soon. Okay, we're gonna be taking the glass out of the door now. Obviously glass is very sharp, wear some gloves. I got myself something nice and soft on the ground here to kneel on. Maybe get a container or a big thick bag of some kind to put the glass in. And just take it out piece by piece. It got broke pretty good, so it should come out pretty easily. Here's a little closer view of getting these mullions out. I believe they're called mullions. If not, they're basically the trim that holds the glass pane in. You usually just, oh, this one's very loose. Okay, that was easy. Anyway, you can see they have 45s on each side, same way all the way around. In order to get the new glass in, all four of these have to come off, and then we can put our new glass pane in. This is my good helper, Solo. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get some measurements for our new glass panel. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it myself. If you don't feel comfortable cutting the glass, most home improvement stores will do that for you. Just remember to cut it a little bit smaller than the window opening or the window pane opening. If you cut it too tight, you're probably gonna break your glass. You have to cut it again a little bit smaller. Anyhow, we had a little change of plan. We decided to move the cat door to this side, and we're gonna change the glass in that one instead. The reason being, this is an active door. We go in and out of it all the time. This one we can open, but we only open it a few times a year if we want to bring in and out something big, furniture or whatever. Anyhow, we're gonna go cut our glass pane, and I'll show you how. We're gonna cut our glass panel now. First you wanna do is wash it off. Any dirt or dust can cause an inconsistent cut with the scoring wheel. And get yourself I got a moving blanket here, a towel, a piece of cardboard will work, as long as it's bigger than the piece of glass. And I did get a bigger piece of glass, so I could actually get 2 panes of that back door if I need it, so I'll have an extra one if we get another cracked pane down the road. So we're gonna get our measurement. We got a 16 and 13/16 high. Double measure it twice, cut once, of course. Get yourself a straight edge. Now I got a cutting wheel with a reservoir in it, holds a little extra cutting oil. If you get just a regular cutting wheel at the home improvement store, it's just going to be a straight pencil looking cutting tool with a wheel at the end. So get yourself cutting oil if it doesn't come with it, because the wheel here has to have oil on it. Line up your marks. Hold your straight edge down firmly, and you want a consistent pressure all the way down. You hear like a scratching sort of sound, and just make sure your cutting wheel is right up against the edge of your straight edge. Got a good score there. And you want to bring it to the edge of your table here, where the score mark's just slightly over the edge, about a 1/4 inch or so. Get yourself some gloves, just in case. It should break off. So there's our first cut. Set this to the side. Our second measurement is 8.5. Okay, now we're gonna get our second measure, 8.5 inches. Where your line's just about a 1/4 inch over the edge here. And you got yourself window paint. Let's hope it fits. Okay, now we're going to do a dry fit with our glass panel. Unfortunately, if you cut it too big for some reason, you basically just got to cut another piece of glass. Other than that, you'd have to chisel some wood around the edges, which wouldn't look very good, and it would take a long time. So let's do our dry fit, see if we did okay. Let's try that way. Okay, we got a glass panel now. Only thing left to do, we put our trim work. I'll probably put a little bead of silicone around here, and then put my trim work on, and we're done. Okay, now we're gonna put our glass panel in. Then these are the mullion trim we pulled off earlier, and we're gonna go ahead and, it's got a flat side and like a tapered side. The flat, taller side is gonna go towards the window pane. And we're just gonna shoot a couple brad nails in it. I usually do top and bottom first, and then the sides. Sides are more flexible. You can bend them a tiny bit if they're tight. we're gonna trim. Okay, we gotta trim those two just a slight bit, and then they'll fit in nice. Okay, trim those last two pieces of mullion up, and I already shot this one in, so we got one more piece to put in. Okay, so we're all done and good. I opted not to put silicone on the inside of the window pane. I thought if it broke again, it'd be a pain in the ass to get the glass out. So I'm just gonna caulk the outside of here with some clear silicone afterwards. If this helped y'all at all, give a like and a comment. As for me, I'm gonna go work on another project.